on the finals.
By the way, coach, for the UP Fighting Maroons, no FSA for them, this evening. Wow, Malik Diouf knows a lot sa kanyang opponent dito. Diouf against Gani Stevens. Corner. And that is Rudy Lingana picking up where he left off, coach.
Exactly, talking about
5-point lead. Mike Tolomia goes inside in the classic Mike Tolomia. Baila. Jacob Baila to BJ Pre. Mag-isa doon sa ilalim.
good in and out play there.
7-2. Noiri Mogat. Whoa! Extending his arms. Tayo coming from Maris Victorio for the Fighting Maroons.
Nakausap ko si Russell Ogana, ang player na nakapanado maglaro dahil nalibot nila at nakita ang ganda ng Sibugay kanina. Nakapagbuluan Island pa daw ang team kaya naman mas lumakas ang chemistry nila, Coach Pa.
Mike Tolomia misses that jumper. Malik Diouf. What a fake for Diouf.
It will be a long night for...
Pero yung pumasok naman for BJ Pre.
Exactly.
11-10, 1-point lead. Vic Manuel against BJ Pre. Switch. Manuel tries. Gets the bounce for 3.
Vic Manuel, 2 out of 5 from...
Noiri Mogat, cross-court pass. Briones, that's good for 3.
Good find there by pasok na for Gani Stevens.
Behind the back pass. Good catch by Sean Alter. Good reverse for Sean Alter, coach.
Always reward.
15-14. Double team. John Paul Menti. Stolen away by BJ Pre. Steal by Cadiz. The drive, the shot, and the score.
Mogat and VJ Pre, alam mo naman si Cadiz eh. Ang bilis pa.
Ibonia, hand off to Bulanadi. That's good.
For the Zamboanga Valientes.
Press spins. That's nothing but net for VJ Pre.
What a move there. Going to the baseline. Spin.
Bulanadi will use the screen. Didiscarte. Bulanadi. 21-19.
Oo, kailangan mo siyang parang makina ng diesel. I-warm up.
John Paul Menti. Briones goes to Maga. Miss shot. Rebound by Alters. Another offensive rebound for UP.
Sean Alters, maganda our main game tomorrow for the 4th Governor Dr. Anhofer Basketball Open Invitational Tournament Finals. Good seal there for Malancas. Chico Bri.
Poste against Palanca. Bulanadi gets the floater off the glass. Is good for Alain Bulanadi. Pangasinan, in-interview ko si Dimosis. 26-23. Nice shot for Ogana. Nope, there's no call right there. Puyos open. That's good for 3. Tie game.
Puyos second.
At the center. Ooh. Denied by Bulanadi. Baila. Euro step. Ogana. Oh. Another big shot.
After 4 tries ninyo, Ogana, ganun ka ganda, ganun ka importante ang laro.
As Vic Manuel fires for 3.
When in doubt, shoot.
He misses. But you know, Puyos binitbit at ipinasok.
Kamikaze move. Baka si Coach Kim o baka ikaw kasi alam mo. Oh, good pass. As Cadiz, maganda yung steal that ball na iwan niya. As you can take a look at this replay, it's so nice. We need to say it twice. Cadiz to Diouf.
I miss, Coach. All I miss.
Oh, matik yan.
10 seconds to shoot. Vic Manuel, andito pa rin si Malik Diouf for the recovery.
Hindi pwede.
Shot again. Noiri Mogat, now look pass. Noy at the corner. Big shot for Remogat.
I like how that players of you, they're playing unselfish play. As Remogat with this three here, if you could look at this replay, so nice. We need to see it twice. We have a timeout. Ceasefire.
De Los Santos and to Honorable Pava.
Good ball movement there for UP.
You know, VJ Pre yung pangalan mo eh.
Oo. Rookie of the year yan.
Manuel against BJ Pre. Wow. Gulang na gulang.
Vic Manuel.
Baila. Goes to Remogat. Fires for three. Big shot for Noy Remogat.
That time, 1, 2, 3.
Against Di Makulangan. Malik Diouf. This is not strange. But yun, pumasok. Narinig tayo ni Malik Diouf. Dala yung dalawang yan because they're former teammates. Nice pass to the corner to VJ Pre. That's good for VJ Pre. Bawi din kagad.
3 puntos per 3 puntos.
Jacob Baila, nakaabante kagad dito itong UP.
Tingnan natin if the Fighting Bros will shoot 2 for 1. Indeed, they
5 seconds. Colombia second.
Tolomia steps back, may fake. Wow! Mike Tolomia.
you can see
Baila. Stolen away. Vic Manuel. 1-on-1 against VJ Pre. That's a basket count.
the muscle man. Still here, I can still play with the young guns. As you can see on this replay earlier.
Another fake for Malik. As Vic Manuel, coach, 4 straight points para sa kanya.
Make it 5 Nino as he completed earlier that end.
Ayun na, sa likod lang pala.
From the outside,
Ogana.
Ogana.
Spins. Wow, iniwan. Ito si Malik Diouf after that spin.
What a move there.
During the first half, napagsabihan siya ni Coach Gold to do better. I saw him taking his moment to compose himself. That's why I haven't had the chance to talk to him. But nakausap ko si James Payosing. Sabi ni Pai, ganun daw talaga si Coach Gold. Top love ang binibigay sa kanila dahil para naman ito sa
5 seconds to shoot. Remogat with a floater.
This time, Remogat. Alam mo, fast-paced game. Doon
Boss.
yung advantage nila.
Layo ng putback. Itong si Malik Diouf pero mas malayo.
That's a good shot there for Alain Bulanadi. Di ka makulangan. Bastos yun.
1-on-1. Noy Remogat spins. Scans the floor. Remogat does it. Outer with the left hand.
What a pass there.
For the UP Fighting Maroons, they have 10 now compared to 5 dito sa Buanga Valientes. But let's take a look at the drive ditong si Makulangan. Kahit tatlo pa kayo, sumakay kayo. Huwag lang kayong makulit. Inbound dito by Remogat. Wow! Alters! Ray Remogat. Briones open. Misses. That is a foul against Di Makulangan.
Bad foul there here on our third quarter.
Well, dance with the veteran Rudy Linganay. Linganay rejecting that screen. Ito si Alter. Oh, good game round again by Sean Alters.
What a pass.
Ang pagsubang o pagsidlak sa adlaw, ang kaanyang
Again, basketball na tayo ulit. 59-58, a 1-point lead now for Zamboanga Valientes as Ogana, when in doubt,
Malik Diouf. Back to Cadiz. 15 to shoot. Cadiz extra step. What a layup to tie the game.
Remogat doon.
Pass
Oh,
inside.
good rim
Malik
run.
Diouf. Ogana. Pre. That's a foul inside the paint. Gold Monteverde with the words with
Central Colombia.
tie game again.
Manuel.
Shot clock at 8.
5 minutes. Shot clock.
Now to go inside. Malik Q. 65-63. Baila with a big rebound.
4 minutes and 7 seconds.
Rimogat tatakbo. Noy Rimogat gives to Gani Stevens.
With the 25 Steve.
Gani Stevens can't get it. Rebound. Andito si UP. At the line. That is good. By VJ Pre. Noy Rimogat. Gustong ipagpag. Rimogat again with a clutch shot.
What a shot there for Ray Remo.
Buhay pa rin po dito. 2 minutes left. Naton Di Coco drives. Denied, but there's a foul. Self-play, but you know, Denver Cadiz at the line right now. Pressure cooker time. Cadiz. Here comes the screen of Alters. Rimogat. VJ Pre hesitates. Fires for 3. Big shot for VJ Pre.
Uno.
Zamboanga Valientes. Under a minute. Nagkaroon tayo ng problema sa shot clock dito. Di yun na-reset.
Biglang nag-buzzer and there was no timeout call there for Zamboanga Valientes as their coach are calling now that it should be counted.
Yung shot clock kasi yung nawala ng coach no?
Based on our replay, tumakbo naman yung time eh. It's just that yung shot clock hindi nag-reset.
Zamboanga Valientes and a technical for bench decorum para sa Zamboanga.
So that one will be a technical for Zamboanga Valientes.
And there was a technical foul for bench decorum called for Valientes. Tumakbo naman yung oras eh. It's just a matter of yung shot clock hindi nag-reset. So parang sinabi ng table, tumawag daw yung team Valientes ng timeout pero ni-reject nilang nila, nag-balls on play na. Pero yung shot clock, tumakbo pa rin. Kaya nga nag-buzzer, nag-zero eh. Pero yung game clock, tumakbo naman.
At the line, Noy Rimogat extends the lead to 7.
3-point line.
Rimogat will use the screen of Alters. Wow! Rimogat pinagpag si Cadiz. Extra feed to Alters. And that is good.
And I think that's it.
So ito nga. That's a sportsmanship for Zamboanga Valientes. They will face a municipality of Alicia X Wellick
For the battle,
of third. And it's UP against San Beda in the finals.
Patuloy pa din ang winning momentum ng UP. Kaya naman kasama ko ngayon ang ating best player of the game na si Noy Rimogat. Now Noy, first of all, congratulations for being the best player of the game, and of course, congratulations for your engagement. Engage ka na pala, Noy. So, matanong ko lang, kanina nung halftime huddle nyo, sabi nila coach, be mindful of your actions. You're only responding to it, so you need to dictate it as well. Yun ba yung naging turning point nyo para mas pag-igihan pa this second half? Kaya naging ganito, kainit yung labanan.
Siguro, yun din talaga yung naging rason ba't kami nakalaro ng ganito sa second half. And naniniwala kasi ako sa sinasabi lagi ni Coach Gold sa amin na always build good habits. And ngayon, nagagawa namin yun sa laro na to. And thankful kami kay Lord na nakuha namin yung panalo.
Napakaganda, Noy. So bukas, ano kayo sa finals? Ano kaya ang makikitang version namin? Anong makikita ang UP version naman ang laro bukas galing sa inyo?
Siguro mas more on chemistry pa kasi alam naman natin bago yung team namin, puro bago yung player. So mas pagtitibayan namin at pag-iigihan namin yung chemistry namin.
Maraming salamat, Noy, and congratulations again for being the best player of the game. Balik sa inyo, Coach Paul and Nino.